Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy A37 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's find and open the settings. So right here we have to scroll and find the option Accounts and Backup. Just tap on it and then go to Manage Accounts. Let's tap on Add Account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Oh, sorry. Okay, and tap on Next. So it might take quite a lot of time, so just be patient. And right here we have to enter the password. So just do it and tap on Next. All right, so I need to verify myself, so just give me a second. All right, so this is what we will see after the verification if you need one. So basically, here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Here, let's tap on I agree. And again, be patient. Okay, so just let me maybe pause the video and I'll come back when it is loaded. Oh, okay. So here we can decide what kind of data we'd like to backup, so photos and videos or other device data or both, or we do not have to turn on the backup at all. So I don't want to do it. So just tap on Don't Backup, and as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. And of course, it is also easy to remove it. Just enter the same section, so Accounts and Backup, Manage Accounts, and tap on our account. Tap on Remove Account and tap on Remove, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.